Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott. Today we have a small unboxing from Maggards. So let's open this up. Let's see, where's it open? Right here. Okay, there it goes there. Oh, just a few little plastic peanuts. Receipt. Plastic peanuts. Pull those out there. Shove them in the sink for now. And some samples. Okay, I forgot about the big one, but I've got a good handful of samples. That's all, just samples. But just it's nice to see what we're getting here. Put the glasses on so I can read the labels. First one is Noble Otter Firefighter. We'll see what those are, and of course I'll explain scents as I use them, that type of thing. And what would it be with a Maggards order and not have a Maggards soap? So this time it's London Barber. I got so sick of barbershop scents after doing panades and so much, like that. It's like I just wasn't into it. And then I tried something else that somebody called a barbershop scent, and it was like totally different, and I liked it. So it's like, okay, so now I'm trying samples of people's barbershops to see what they're like. And let's see here. Next one is Jan Evans St. Bart's. And let's see, next one is Henry de Victoria, et Victoria, Cognac and Cuban Cigars. Name alone, I had to get that. And then Declaration Grooming Convergence Shaving Soap. Convergence, okay. Got a picture of a leaf. I don't know if that's fall leaf scenting, but I think it's middle of summer. I wouldn't have bought it for that. The last sample I got, it's kind of cool. Look at the size of the container. That's a sample, but it's a small sample, but they give you a big container. So it's Through the Fire by Fine Crafts. Campfire scent. And see, so it's only partially full. That's a good partially full. I think they said it smells like s'mores and campfire. Kind of smelling the vanilla marshmallowy scent a little bit. So it's light, it's very mild, but in a good sized container though. Look at that. I mean, I'm not sure I can quite swirl a brush in that real well, but I might try. Or I'll just use one sample of it and give the rest away to you as usual. Probably that's what I'll do. But look at the size of that compared to the other ones. Just size of the container, and yeah, it's only probably about a third full at most. That's being generous. I'd say a third maybe. But yeah, hats off. I just hadn't tried them before, so we're gonna try those. So that's all I got for right now. Just needed to stock up some more soaps. So I'm getting ready to use the 3 that I bought last time and hadn't used yet. I am starting that probably this weekend, because I've run out the other stuff. So yeah, it's time for me to start on those, and I wanted to have some backups. So yeah, I got some backups now. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed. Go with God.